All right, my friends, let's have a little chat. It's Monday night. You've just walked through the door. You are absolutely shattered. The last thing you want is hours over a hot stove, right? You need food. You need it fast. You need it to be delicious. It's about getting gorgeous, wholesome food on the table in minutes, not hours. Clever cooking, no complications. Beans, bread, cheese, the unsung heroes. No fancy techniques, just a good pan, a sharp knife, and a bit of enthusiasm. Forget the takeaway. Put down the phone. You can do this. Pan's ready, ingredients out, let's get cooking. Right, first up, a wicked little chana masala. Curry in a hurry. 1 can of chickpeas, a little onion, a clove of garlic, a cup of tinned tomatoes, a good tablespoon of curry powder, salt, oil, and coriander or parsley if you've got it. Pan on medium, drizzle oil. Finely chop your onion. Cook about 2 minutes until lovely and soft. Garlic in with curry powder. Stir for 30 seconds. Smell those spices wake up. Tip in your tomatoes. Bubble for 2 minutes. In go the chickpeas with a splash of water. 3 minutes to heat through and soak up the sauce. Season with a pinch of salt. Have a taste. Beautiful. Roughly chop herbs over the top. For creamy thickness, mash a few chickpeas against the pan. Serve with fluffy rice, warm naan, or even toast for dipping. Dinner done. How easy was that? Next up, beans and greens. Rustic, comforting, ridiculously fast. A can of white beans, a big handful of spinach or kale, 1 clove of garlic, lemon, good olive oil, salt and black pepper. Pan on olive oil in, chop garlic, sizzle for 30 seconds, just to sweeten. Drain the beans, tip them in with a splash of water, warm through a minute, add your greens, stir until just wilted and bright, squeeze over lemon for zing, season generously with salt and a good crack of pepper. Final stir and serve. Top tip, add a pinch of chili flakes with the garlic if you fancy a kick. Delicious straight from the bowl. Sometimes you just need a grilled cheese, a proper toasty, the king of comfort, 2 slices of bread, a knob of butter, 2 slices of a good melting cheese, cheddar classic, any melter works. Butter, both slices right to the edges. Pan on medium, not too hot. Bread in, cheese on, lid with the second slice, butter side up. Cook 2-3 minutes. Peak. When golden, flip in 1 move. Cook another 2 minutes, gently press to help melt. Smells buttery, toasty, cheesy. Slide out, cut, and admire that cheese pull. Add ham or tomato, but honestly, plain is perfection. For the ultimate lazy plate, seeded toast with hummus. Toast your seeded bread. Swirl on a generous layer of hummus. Finishing touches, a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze or zest of lemon, pinch of chili flakes, herbs, maybe extra sesame. 2 minutes, tons of flavor. Add tomatoes or cucumbers if you like. Snack, supper, sorted. A taste of Spain. A quick tortilla española, pan potato omelette. 2 or 3 small potatoes, 4 eggs, 1 small onion, a good glug of olive oil, and salt. Slice the potatoes and onion as thinly as you can. This is the speed secret. Non-stick pan, generous oil to coat. Cook about 8 minutes, stirring now and then until soft with a little golden edge. Beat 4 eggs with a pinch of salt. Pour over the potatoes and onions. Jiggle the pan so egg fills gaps. Low heat, edges set, middle still a bit wobbly. Slide onto a plate, pan upside down, flip the whole thing, and slide back to set the other side for a minute or 2. Non-stick makes it easy. Slide to a board, cut into wedges, tuck in. Brilliant warm for dinner, lush cold for lunch tomorrow. A real old-school classic, sardines on toast, done proper. Good sardines in oil, lovely crusty bread, your best olive oil, a fresh lemon and black pepper. Eat from the tin or gently warm them in their own oil for a minute. Feels like a proper cooked meal. Toast it crisp or go fresh if the loaf is ace. Your dinner, your rules. Bread on plate, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, lay on the sardines, neat or piled. Squeeze plenty of lemon to cut the richness. Finish with a generous grinding of black pepper. Use sturdy sourdough to hold the oil and fish. Add a few pickles or a handful of salad. Gorgeous. 6 brilliant, super quick, dead easy dinners. From a speedy curry to the perfect grilled cheese. Keep basics on hand. Beans, chickpeas, tomatoes, good olive oil, onions, garlic, and dinner is never far away. Pick one for tonight, tweak it your way, and enjoy every bite. You've got this lovely jubbly.